There's a demand for skilled automotive technicians. In fact, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, there are more than 60,000 average annual job openings estimated for automotive techs in the United States. Without automotive techs, many of the things we do would be impossible. They're responsible for maintaining the vehicles we rely on every day. As automotive technology continues to advance and tools are updated, experienced technicians need to be trained to use them. From big cities to small towns, employers rely on technicians to help keep their businesses running. The great news is, it doesn't take long to get the hands-on experience and training you need. The Automotive Technology Program at Universal Technical Institute allows you to graduate in less than a year with skills that can prepare you for an entry-level career in the field. The role of an automotive technician looks much different today than it did in the past. It isn't just turning wrenches. It's a career that requires both mechanical and computer skills for working on late-model vehicles. If you like working with your hands and are seeking to build a long-term career, now's the time to pursue an education to become an automotive technician. Follow the links in our description to learn more about UTI's Automotive Technology Program and how to take the first steps toward a career you're excited about.